Hi everyone, today we're building an automated messaging script that can send text, audio, and respond to replies on its own. This will save you time and help keep your contacts engaged without doing everything manually. We're going to set this up in just 3 steps. The first step is creating a new script. Let's dive into the script tool in WaioChat. You'll find it under the automation section on the left. Once you hover over it, the script creation panel slides in from the side. For now, hit the back arrow to return to the Quick Actions menu so we can get our bearings. Here in Quick Actions, you've got the script button, which is what we're after. Next to it, the text option lets you create simple text messages. The audio button is for creating voice messages. Video lets you upload and prepare video content for your sends. And document is where you'd add files like PDFs or spreadsheets. Since we already have our text, audio, image, video, and document content ready, let's go ahead and click the script button to build our sequence. Inside the script tool, you'll see 2 tabs at the top. Head over to the Manage tab. Go ahead and click on Manage to see your existing scripts. You'll also notice the mass send button here, which is what we'll eventually use to trigger our sequence. But first, switch over to the Create tab to start building a new script. A script is what ties everything together. It lets you chain multiple sends into one logical, programmed sequence. So instead of sending content one piece at a time, the script option lets you orchestrate the entire flow from start to finish. Go ahead and click the script button to begin creating your new automation. We've successfully reached the script creation tool. Now, let's move on to creating and naming the new script. In the title field, give your script a clear name so you can easily identify it later. Go ahead and refine the name to something more specific, like the campaign you're building this flow for. Hit the Add the First Content to the Script Flow button to start building out your sequence. Let's move on to adding a text message with a typing delay, which makes the conversation feel more natural by simulating a real person typing before the message appears. To start building your flow, click the text button from the content selection menu to add a text message block. Click on the Select Text field that just appeared in your flow to choose which message you want to send. Your saved text will load up here. Go ahead and pick the one you'd like to use from the list. Here's an important tip. Set a delay of around 10 seconds with the typing indicator active. This makes it look like you're actually typing the message in real time, which boosts authenticity and helps keep your account from being flagged as spam. Our text message is now set up with its typing delay. Next, let's add a timed delay between messages to create a natural pause before the next message is sent. To add a pause between messages, open the New Content drop-down menu again. Scroll through the available options and pick the delay block. This lets your script wait a moment before firing off the next message, which makes the conversation feel more natural and human. Once the delay block appears, set the wait time to 3 seconds. Feel free to adjust this depending on how long you want the pause to last before the next message goes out. The time delay is now in place. Next, let's add an audio message with a recording delay to make the conversation feel more natural and human-like. To send an audio message next, open the New Content dropdown and pick audio from the list. A new Select Audio block will appear. Go ahead and click it to open the audio selection menu. Once your saved audio files load up, choose the one you want to send, like the WaioChat call action. Set the delay to 15 seconds. During this time, your contact will see the recording audio indicator, making the interaction feel much more natural and human. The audio message with its recording delay is now in place. Let's move on to saving the initial script to preserve our progress before adding more advanced features. With the basic flow ready, scroll down and hit the Save Changes button to store your progress. Your script will now show up in the Quick Messages list, ready to be used or edited later. Next, we'll move on to locating and reopening the saved script for editing, so we can enhance it with more advanced automation features. To reopen your saved script, head back to the Quick Send Media list and scroll down until you spot the script you just created. Hover over the script card itself, and you'll notice a helpful tooltip pops up explaining what it does. The platform is pretty intuitive here, so as you hover over the promotional upgrade icon, you'll see a tooltip describing its purpose. The same happens with the duplicate icon, which lets you make a copy of the script, and hovering over the send icon will reveal its tooltip too. Hover back over the script title, and the tooltip will tell you that clicking here opens the content for editing. So go ahead and click on the script card to jump back in and continue building it out. With our saved script now open for editing, we're ready to add some automation. Let's move on to adding a response listener, which pauses the script until the user actually replies, making the conversation feel natural. To continue editing safely, scroll down and hit the Save Changes button. It's a good habit to save as you build so you don't lose any of your progress. Scroll down through your script flow, click on New Content, and pick the Reply List option. This adds a step that pauses the flow until your contact actually responds to you. You'll see a response listener block appear in the flow, ready to wait for the user's reply before moving on. Go ahead and click New Content once more, then choose Reply List again to add another listener. With the second response listener block in place, scroll down to keep building out the rest of your flow. The response listener is now in place to catch the user's reply. Next, we'll use the randomizer to send varied content, which prevents messages from feeling repetitive by rotating between different responses. To keep your messages from feeling repetitive, let's add a randomizer. Click on New Content and select Randomizer from the options. This block lets the system automatically pick one message from a pool so your contacts don't always receive the exact same thing. Once the Configure Random block appears, click on it to start choosing which contents to include in the pool. Go ahead and pick a variety of items from your content list. You can mix in text, videos, images, and even contacts to make the randomization feel more natural and dynamic. Once you're happy with your selection, hit the Save Selection button to lock it in. You'll now see a block showing all your randomized contents grouped together. Just below it, set the delay to 13 seconds. This is how long the flow will wait before sending the randomly chosen message. The randomizer is now set up to send varied content. Next, let's automate contact management by adding and removing stage filters. This keeps your contact list organized by automatically moving users between stages as the script runs. To automate your contact management, scroll down and click on New Content, then choose the Add Step option from the menu. A new Add to Stage block will appear in your flow. From the drop-down list, pick the stage where you want this contact to be moved to once the flow completes. In this case, select the Done stage. With the Done block now in place, it makes sense to also remove the contact from their previous stage so they don't sit in two places at once. Scroll back up, hit New Content again, and this time select Remove Step. Once the Remove block is added, open its dropdown and choose the To Do stage, since that's where this contact was sitting before being marked as Done. Our contact management automation is now configured. Let's move on to the final step, saving the completed script to make all our changes permanent. Since this contact is now being added to the Done stage, it doesn't make sense to keep them in the To Do stage anymore. So add a To Do block inside the Remove section to clear them from there automatically. Once that's set, scroll down and hit Save Changes to lock in everything you've built. You'll be taken back to the Quick Send media list and you'll see your Sale 1 script now displays 7 contents ready in the script. That's it. Your script is ready to be used in a mass send, which we'll cover in the next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help out. And the script is saved and ready to go. Your full automation flow is built and working just the way you wanted. Have fun putting it to use.